Kwankwaso offers to be Obi's running mate, considers vice president's role for 2027 election. Senator Rabiu Kwankwaso, the new Nigerian People's Party 2023 presidential candidate, has expressed willingness to serve as running mate to Labour Party's Peter Obi in the upcoming 2027 presidential election. In a recent video circulated on his official account, the former Kano State governor, speaking in Hausa language, indicated his openness to the arrangement, although with certain conditions. While asserting his senior political status, Kwankwaso signaled readiness for meaningful dialogue with Obi. He explicitly stated that discussions could proceed if trust is established between both parties. This unexpected development has surprised many, coming nearly 2 years after failed major talks between both parties ahead of the 2023 general elections. Those discussions had collapsed when neither leader agreed to step down for the other. In the 2023 presidential election, Peter Obi secured the third position with 6,101,533 votes, while Kwankwaso finished fourth with 1,496,687 votes. The Labour Party has welcomed this proposition, marking a potential shift in political alliances as the nation moves towards 2027. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV as further updates becomes available.